Hello guys, welcome to arunachalgk. Hope you are doing well. And today we'll discuss the Head Constable 2019 previous year question paper, the GK part, which is a section B and conducted by SSB. So let's begin. As you can see, the question number 51: which district has large reserve of coal? That is option C, Changlang. And about Changlang, in 14 November 1987, Changlang became the part of Arunachal Pradesh, 10th district of Arunachal Pradesh. And now come to 2052. Mauling National Park is located in, that is option B, Upper Siang, which is Mauling. Mauling means in Adi language, it means Mauling red soil, and it is established in 1987, 30 December 1987. Now come to 53. Which is useful against tuberculosis? And this question was a repeated question. So tuberculosis, the correct option is B. BCG stand for Bacille Calmette Guerin, and it is invented by Calmette and Guerin. And tuberculosis causal organism is Mycobacterium, which is a causal organism. It's a bacteria. And now come to 54. Finance Minister of Arunachal Pradesh is B. Chona Men. He's a Finance Minister of Arunachal Pradesh and also a Deputy CM. And if we talk about Pema Khandu, he is a 9th CM of Arunachal Pradesh. Just remember, I saw a question like that somewhere. And now come to 55. Which color card do football referees carry? That is red and yellow, as you know. Now come to question number 56. Which Arunachal Pradesh tribe has its own script? That is example is correct option is B, Khamti. And Khamti is famous for Sanken festival. And 57. Which is not an infectious disease? Infectious disease which is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus and all. That's all are infectious. And the typhoid is caused by bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi, and measles is caused by virus, and polio is also caused by enterovirus, and anemia is the correct option D, which is a like it can be transferred from generation to generation, heredity you can say, or because of low iron in your blood, anemia used to occur. And 58. Indian National Army is associated with, that is correct option is B, Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian National Army was established in the year 1942, August 1942 in Singapore. Just remember, this is I saw a question somewhere. Now come to 59. Which vitamin deficiency is associated with night blindness? That is option A, vitamin A. Vitamin A is related to your eyes, which causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin C or vitamin A, and deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, which is related to dental problem. And vitamin D related to like its deficiency causes rickets, is related to bone. And vitamin E, muscle weakness and all. And like from sun we get vitamin D, just remember. And 60, question number 60, come to 60. Finance Minister of India is, that is option B. Correct option is B, Nirmala Sitharaman. And Nitin Gadkari, he is a Minister of Road and Highways. And Rajnath Singh, he is a Defense Minister. And Amit Shah is a Minister of Home Affairs. Just remember. Maybe it will ask, who among the following is associated with abolition of sati? That is option C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And the governor during one governor also responsible for this sati system, like abolition of sati system. That is governor like William Bentinck, Lord William Bentinck, which is responsible for abolition of sati system. And he passed a Bengal Sati Regulation Act, regulation in December 4, 1829. Just remember. And now come to 62. Grand Slam is associated with, that is Grand Slam. That is correct option is tennis. And who won the Grand Slam 2021? That is Novak Djokovic of Australia Open. And now come to question number 63. Who among the following was appointed as a Lokayukta in Arunachal Pradesh recently? That is correct option is C, Justice P.K. Saikia. And Lokayukta Act enacted in 4 March 2014 in our state. It's like Lokayukta. It's mainly provide like transparency and like acceptable government, and like it's mainly check the corruption and all in an administration and office, just to check, make transparency. And come to question number 64. The next Olympic Games will held in, that is correct option is D, Tokyo. And Beijing Olympic, as you know, 2022 Winter Olympic is coming, and like many like boycott and all like is going on, I mean due to coronavirus, as you know. And 2024 will held in France, Paris. B, just remember the correct option is D. And now come to 65. Which of the following won a gold medal at Olympic Games? 65. The correct option is A, that is Abhinav Bindra, and he is a air rifle shooter, and he won a gold medal in 2008. And as you know, PV Sindhu is related to badminton. Now come to question number 66. Computer CPU is measured in, that is 66. Current option is, that is B, gigahertz. And megabits is related to memory, and gigabytes and 67. Come to 67. Which is a spreadsheet software? That is the correct option is B. If you like operate a computer and all, you will know. That is correct option is Excel. And now come to question number 68. Which major hydro project was recently approved by the Cabinet of India? The correct option is option C, Dibang hydro project, which is a mega project, and I think it will be the largest and the tallest dam of India. Okay. Now come to 69. Which is not a renewable resource? Non-renewable, which cannot be renewed or remake, you can say. And water we can get, and coal we cannot remake, and groundwater we can research it. Groundwater research is there. Forest we can plant, we can reforestation is there, and So correct option will be C, coal. We cannot renew it, so correct option is C. So come to 70. Echo sound is caused due to the property of, that is option B, reflection. Reflection is echo is due to reflection. And now come to 71. Which part of Indian constitution start with the words "We the people of India"? That is option A, preamble. And we talk about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are there, so many are there, like Article 14 to 18, right to freedom, right to equality, So come to 72. Which constitution came into force the Indian 72? The Indian Constitution came into force on, that is correct option is C, 26 January 1950, as we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January, but it's mainly it's already completed in 26 November 1949, but it came into force in 26 January 1950. Now come to 73. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of, as we already discussed this one, and this is due to deficiency of iron. D, it's mainly occur in female. Now come to question number 74. Dronacharya award is given for, if you saw that Mahabharata, Guru Dronacharya and all, so it is, the correct option is D, coach, outstanding coaching. And now come to 75. Pisciculture is associated with, that is option A, fish, pisciculture, and honeybee, apiculture, and option D, slick is slick is sericulture. And now come to 76. Arunachal Pradesh does not share boundary with, the correct option is A, Nepal. And now come to 77. Which river does not join to form Brahmaputra? Now you can guess: Sarbansri, Dibang, Lohit, Siang, and that is B, option B, Siang. Siang itself is Brahmaputra, so I think this is a bit confused question, like which river does not join to Brahmaputra to form Brahmaputra. It's mainly asking about tributaries. Dibang, Sarbansri, Lohit, all are tributaries of Siang. You can say Brahmaputra, which is called Jamuna in Bangladesh. And now come to 78. Red Fort of Delhi was built by, that is option C, Jahangir, in 17th century, 1638. And now come to 79. Summer season rainfall in Arunachal Pradesh is mainly due to, this option, correct option is D, southwest monsoon. This question is I saw in many like exam, like it's repeated question. And now come to 80. In which district is Parsuram Kund located? This is also a repeated question in many exams used to ask. That is, as you know, option D, Lohit. And now come to 82. 81. Which body is a regular of stock market in India? That is, as UPSC is not related to bank, money and all, CBI also, so like B and D, like option you can choose. And the correct option is D, SEBI, which is SEBI means Securities of Exchange Board of India. And now come to 82. Which state the government has recently defeated in no confidence motion? That is, correct option is C, Karnataka. No confidence motion is like it against the ruling party or ruling government, They used to question the government, like used to some things like that. You can search in Google or YouTube, you'll get. And now come to 83. India latest moon mission is called, that is option B, Chandrayaan. It should be Chandrayaan 2, but it's written as Chandrayaan, but correct option is B, Chandrayaan 2. And Chandrayaan 2 was main moon Chandrayaan in South Pole region, and it was launched by ISRO from Satish Dhawan Space Center, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. And now come to 84. Ayushman Bharat is related to, that is, as you know, the correct option is B, health. And for education is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. For Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Now come to 85. Recently, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, laid foundation stone for new airport in Arunachal Pradesh. That is C, Holongi Airport. The last census was held in 2011 is the correct option. And every 10 years, like, it used to be held. 2021 also, I think they already started or not, I don't know. But the first complete census was held in 1881. Now come to 87. Rabi crop are harvested in. Rabi crop is a winter crop, mainly wheat, gram and all. So it used to sown in the month of March and April. It used to be harvested in March and April and sown in October or November in winter season. Now come to 88. Which of the following does not have the same speed as the other tree? The correct option is option C, that is sound wave. Light and radio wave, X-ray, all are same, and it's all are by speed of light. It's used to it's by speed of light, which is at 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And only the sound wave is the correct option, C. And now come to 89. In India, currency note are issued by, the correct option is B, that is RBI. Now who is the present governor of RBI? That is Shaktikanta Das. And RBI was established in the year 7 April 1935 in Calcutta, just remember. Now come to 90. Speed of internet is measured in, that is correct option is B, megabits per second, not megabytes. Don't confuse with bytes or bit, and it's a megabits per second. And just for information, Singapore experienced the fastest internet speed in the world. It's a record, and they experienced about 241.1 MB per second. Now come to 91. Which element is associated with production of solar power panel? That is, the correct option is silicon. Silicon is used in solar panels, and silicon is a semiconductor element. And why silicon is used? Because its structure make, like, it convert the light energy into electrical energy efficiently, so silicon is used. Now come to 92. Which is the fastest growing major economy? That is option B, China, as you know. And now come to 93. Inner line permit is issued under provision of, the correct option is option B, Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873. And now come to 94. Which district does not have, 94, which district does not have McMahon line? That is option D, Papumpare. Tawang, Upper Subansiri, Kurungkume, all are in upper side. Only the Papumpare is in near the Assam, so you can guess like that. So now come to 95. Which national park wildlife sanctuary is not in Arunachal Pradesh? That is correct option is A, Manas, which is in Assam and famous for tiger. And the Namdapha is in Changlang, Pakikesang, and the Dying Ring is in Pasighat, as you know. Now come to 96. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the state of, the correct option is C, Punjab. And who is responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre is there is General Dyer. He is the responsible for, he ordered the army to shoot the innocent people. His name is General Dyer. In the year 13 April 1919 it took place. And now come to 97. The head of Union Territory is Lieutenant Governor. 97, B is the correct option. And now come to 98. Mughal Dynasty in India was established by, that is, as you know, is Babur is the first ruler of Mughal Dynasty. And who is the last ruler of Mughal Emperor? Just type in comment section. It's already asked in previous year question somewhere. And 99. Largest organ in human body is, it is option D, liver. Liver, what is the function of liver? Liver produce bile juice, which is help in fat digestion. And as you know, kidney is for purification, heart for pumping blood, and read. Come to question number last, which is 100. Writ which may be issued by High Court to produce a person held in illegal custody. Like the correct option is A, habeas corpus. Like you can present, habeas corpus is a Latin word which means you present the body, and like you have to present yourself in the High Court if someone is arrested or police is arrest you like illegally or something like that. And read here, read RIT means order. And so hope it was helpful to you. Thank you. Stay safe and take care and study well. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.